Hi everyone, it's Stephanie back at it again. We're playing roblox. Today we're playing Super Bomb Survival. Play this game a little. It's fun. I mean, I tell you that. I mean, if it could just load, that would actually be really nice. Actually, let's just wait for it to load. You see the recording thing with this red button? Look, woohoo, yahoo! Let's put our overview. If this that must be really loud for you guys. So yes, we're playing Super Bomb Survival. Yeah, there's exclamation points. It's not gonna be quite like Super Bomb Survival play. It's gonna be like. What is the one? Okay. So yeah, I play this game. Yeah, I'll show you some stuff. So people playing as B. Oh, 2009. Unfortunately, he was born in 2009. I was born in 2005. Butan, 2007. So that's he's a little older than him. Guess 29. Gunnar G6. Lucky 1. Lucky G1. I know Gamo, the kid HD. Was the 86. Stuff reading me. Tam Gum 117 36. Bam. Block. M99. And was Ufe 21? Yes, Uze was 21. And I'll show you the stuff I have. Skills. I have Super Jump, Black Hole, Stun Blast, Shockman, Platform, Hover, Force Field, Imperial Drop. Skills. I have Big Saver, Treasure Wall. I'll show you what. See, Treasure Wall, you can see, like, coins, like, through stuff. And Hover, you can just fly. Like, come on. Look at this. Boom! I think you get like a badge if you hit that. Honestly, I never hit that. I wanted to close. Come on, boys. Come on. Let's do the dance. Can I spell? We will hit that target eventually. I am purple for no reasoning. I think I'm purple because I'm Bonnie's cousin. Now it's up, boys. Papa. Let's just pick a map. See, some maps that are good. Let's pick a map. Let's sort of. I like this. Basically, this is the difficult. See, my highest one was like the middle of 3. That's the highest one I ever did, but I never went to 5 or 4. I actually want to do that. It's actually really fun. No, what do me? Actually, I'm good. Oh my god. This is a nice place. No joke. No, guys, I'm the king of the place. Gosh. I'm not even gonna. Hey! It's dynamite. Oh yeah, I've seen my hover move. No! Yeah. It's made it with. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Whee! The scary thing is, look, when I press this button. Ew! Ah! like head falls. Oh shoot! If you don't know what that yellow stuff is, that's electrocute, and if I touch it, then look, I'll even show you. Oh. Oh. It didn't got me. I can't find any coins. Looks like I'm not walking. Looks like I'm really powerful. Look, let me touch this missile. Let's see if I can get her. This won't help me. That was a joke. No. No. Ow. Guys, we did it. With approximately 10 health. We're pretty much dead. Oh. They gave me 10 health. 30 health. Oh, I think it was. What is this? Dude, you have met you today. Let's say. Oh. See, you just saved my life. Now I'm off to my home planet. Bye, guys. The next key for this mouth is going to be basically the same. Unless... Because I know it's going to be part of the toy. What? You know how long that took? Yeah. Yeah. Playing this stuff. Whatever. Button. But. Wait. Oh. Let's say. Hi. Come on, guys. Okay, guys. Looks like I'm driving the boat. Whee! Until. Oh my gosh! See, look, a gold coin. How original. See. I just want to make sure any of you guys know. You guys. Oh my gosh! Oh. Okay, it's just. Oh my gosh! The boobo is my last chance to tell you guys. Can you stop, please? I want to show you guys something funny. Okay, looks like I'm not. I was doing. So if you guys do know can you stop, please? You guys know my palette level. If any of you guys know that one show, Nick Team something, it was like Jimmy Neutron. Here's how the intro goes. 3, 2, 1. Got a bus! Jimmy Neutron's and the boss. No! Let's go. I'm not sure if any of you guys even know that show, but I actually remember it as a kid. Whoa! No! Wow, who was oof a? Oh crap! Come on, this is the before Jimmy Neutron. This is the reboot of it. 3, 2, 1. Got a blast! Jimmy Neutron's this man's been the balls. I see cucumbers. A gold coin. No. Not with this dude that gave me like. What? I stepped on that. I stepped this guy into green thing. Was that like acid? Whoa. If you guys even know that Andy's coming meme, yeah, it's like not like dead or something. I still like it. Look, Andy's coming. Yeah, wait, let me just. Whoa, back slipped on a banana peel. Whoa. Hey, you guys are wondering, who are you? My boy or girl? No, I'm a small. Yeah. Yes, you're gonna make. I'm gonna make it at this. Look, I'm gonna be at the other side. Yay, we did it! So guys, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll comment down. As a bomb. Make sure to hit that like button, Holmes. Oh, this dude's not. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks. No. How about I hit? How about I say? Thanks. You. What? What? Did you meant that? Did I see this guy before? What? 'Cause I don't remember seeing this guy before. But he said you. He said your wife. I mean, that's pretty nice. Actually, you said you. No, gosh. Andy's coming. Guys, look, I could do this one thing. Woohoo! Oh, ow! Wee. Oh, come on. I'm trying. I don't know what I'm trying to do right now. Oh. We can dance together. Whoa. What? God. Oh my god. I'm not sure if you guys even know that I was going to. Well, it's about the end of the video. Oh. Well, bye guys.